And my journey has not exactly been in tech because I started off with an electrical engineering, and I have worked in this domain and represented India at Formula Student Germany 2019. So by the end of second year, I realized that maybe I'm more interested into building software solutions, and that thing actually excites me. So I started looking for opportunities out there, and then I saw this Talent Sprint Women Engineers program. So it's a like a 1 year, 2 year program by then, and it trains people in the field of software. So that I found that to be very helpful opportunity for me. I've applied for it. I have learned multiple skills. I went cracked all the 3 rounds, and then finally joined it as a TSW scholar. When I went there, I saw with me there are 100 more talented women engineers all over India, and I felt so good, and I found that support system and mentorship system from there, and I have learned a lot from that program. So that particular program has actually helped me to explore my domain, which I am not aware of, to help me guide in the software domain, and to get the best out of all the opportunities that I have right now. So at later stages, I came to know about this Microsoft Student Program. I've applied for it without expecting a lot, and I did my best to the application. And one thing that I did was I was very honest with my application. I have mentioned that I didn't know these things, but I can do this, and how I can get benefit, and how I can be beneficial to some other person. When I got selected about it, to be very honest, I didn't know that this is amazing program out there for me. So I explored it. I met other student partners from other universities, and then I had developed this habit of knowledge sharing, which becomes a very integral part of my life even till now. Because if you are not giving back to the people, to the society, whatever you have learned throughout, I don't think there's any value you are adding to your own self. And it feels good to share your knowledge. It feels good to how you have shaped your journey, and it feels very good if you share your journey and someone is beneficial from that. So the Microsoft Student Program, to be very specific, has helped me publicize my own skills and get connected to these amazing student partners out there, to know their skills, to know their weaknesses, to explore my weaknesses, and to work upon them. Oftentimes people say that you should find that one particular thing that you are interested in and follow that with all your passion that you have. But I always have this one question, that what if you don't know till now that what you are interested in? For that, you need to explore everything and every opportunity that's given to you. And that's what I did. When I came across this Google Ad Grants Online Marketing Challenge, I wasn't very much interested into digital marketing. But when I read the concept, and I see that as an opportunity to get the impact of my work in the lives of people and in the lives of non-profit organizations. We were assigned an education-based organization where we were impacting the children to learn more, to increase the literacy rate, and I found this to be the base reason of why I am interested into digital marketing. We went through this challenge, we gave our best, and then we were recognized as Google Ads top marketer by Google Ads on the basis of this performance. So all I want to give this message to this journey is, you always don't know that what works out for you. You can only control that how you are responding to the things that are happening to you. So explore your opportunities. Maybe you can get something very good out of it. I have came across this question quite a lot of times, and to be very honest, I was least bothered about the traffic that are coming to my vlogs. I started this initiative for being a bridge between the people like me who find it difficult to get exact material in simple terms. The first thing that I started was the first 24 hours, where I embraced one thing per day for increasing the mental health awareness and increasing the overall productivity towards the day. Then I started this storyteller initiative where I interview the leading women in tech and publish their stories to find to for anyone who can get motivated, who can take the life lessons that these leading women in tech have throughout their journey. Then I started this tech blogs because some particular technologies I find it quite difficult other than compared to others. So I just tried to simplify the whole process through my own blogs. And one thing that's sure, that if you write one blog, you need to consider 5-6 other blogs. You'll learn a lot by writing them. So that's the one thing that actually worked out for me, and I never get bothered about how traffic are handling through my blogs or how many people are reading it, because I believe if at least one people is getting benefit from it, my work is done. I think it's very important for your students to get out of the university education, because many times students are not interested in the subjects they are studying, plus the subjects are not updated till now. As I am studying electrical engineering in my university, but I am more into software domain, so I need to learn all these stuff outside my classes. Secondly, it's more important because you need, at any point of time the technologies are changing and the books and the curriculum are not changing at that pace. And to be a competent in the real world, that university education will not be beneficial to much extent. I don't say that marks don't matter, many people say this, but I personally don't believe this. They do, and they do to a certain extent. Unless you have a decent score and decent marks, then you can do and explore multiple things on your own, because that's the most important thing, and that's the one thing that you will be distinguished by and you will be recognized by at any stage of your career. I had a great experience while talking to these leading women of tech through my Storyteller blog. And one thing that I saw common through all of them, and the one lesson that I took through all the stories, is if you are brave enough to break some of the very strange stereotypes about your own self, and if you are ready to embrace smallest accomplishments of your life, no matter at what stage, you can and you will do anything to everything in your life. So to all the people struggling out there, you are much more than that one kid who is not getting 9 pointer despite the efforts. You are much more than that one partner who is not getting undivided love and attention. You are much more than that one candidate who's rejected by an interview. You are much more than what you think about yourself. So start paying attention to your narratives and mental health, and start believing in your story. Thank you.